Hello friends, once again I am here, I am Professor Kunal Thakur and today we are going to deal with ICSE Maths second chapter banking. Okay, we have already studied 2A from this chapter and today we are going to deal with 2B. Okay students, once again I am telling you there are three formulas in this chapter. One is interest, another one is total deposit, that is P into N, and third one is the maturity value. Okay, आपको ये तीन फॉर्मूला ही है इस पे खाते दिए हुए हैं एंड 2.A में हमने बेटा इसको कंप्लीटली स्टडी किया है एंड नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डील विद 2B. बट बिफोर गोइंग अहेड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. This is question number 1. In question number 1, students, for promote, P is given to you 600 rupees. Number of month is 4 years, that is 48 months. आप 12 से multiply करोगे and R is equal to 8 PCPA. Okay. Now to find, in this you have to find maturity value. हाँ, maturity value. Same question हमने 2A में भी किया है बेटा. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, 6, 7 में थे कुछ ऐसे ना. वहां पे हमने एमवी फाइंड आउट किया है. सेम तरीके से हम एमवी फाइंड आउट करेंगे. इन सॉल्यूशन वी विल राइट एमवी एज अ फॉर्मूला. एमवी का फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे बेटा. व्हाट इज फॉर्मूला? P into N plus P into N plus 1 into R upon 2, 12 and 100. ओके बेटा, फॉर्मूला अपना यही है. यू विल पुट अप द वैल्यूज. P is equal to 600, N is equal to 48, P is equal to 600, N is equal to 48, N plus 1 is 49, R कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? 8. You will put up the values and you will solve this. How you will solve this? 600 का 48 का आप multiply करोगे, you will get 28800. Here you will cancel 2020 and 12 twos are 24, 24 twos are 48. So you will get 6 2 49 8. 6 twos are 12. Very good. 12 8s are 96. So 96 multiplied by 49, you will get 4705. Okay. Now you will add these two figure. You will get 33504, which is the maturity value. Okay, student. Similar to 2A का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जैसा है ये बेटा. आपको सेम फॉर्मेट था, सेम फॉर्मूला. Okay, you can solve it. Okay, students. Now we are going to question number 2. In question number 2, for rate 2, premium is 80 rupees, N is 18 months, and maturity value you have given it is 1554 rupees. That is 1554. Okay, in this question you have to find rate of interest. That is R. Okay, you have to find rate of interest. Now you will use the formula of maturity value again. Maturity value का formula आप लिखोगे बेटा. After that you will put up the values. Maturity value is 1554 here. P 80 and 18. So 80 into 18. Here 80 into 18 into 18 plus 1. That is 19. Next step मैंने लिखा है R upon 100. Now please beta, you will solve this. You will cancel 24 is 80, 25 is 100, 6 3 is 18, 6 2 is 12 and 2 2 is 4. You will get 3, 19 and 5. 3, 19 and 5. Here you will multiply this number, you will get 1444 0. Now beta, please pay attention. Here it is positive. You will change the sign and this will get subtracted. Okay, so इस साइड आके ये माइनस हो जाएगा. After subtraction you will get 114. Here 3 into 19 57 R upon 5. So for R you will multiply by 5 and divide by 57. 57 2s are 114, 2 5s are 10. So finally you got the value of rate of interest is 10 PCPA. Please pay attention. You have to mention the units. Okay students, you got this question. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is and rate of interest 408. You have maturity value of 16,176 rupees. Okay, this is 16176. In this you have to find n, that is time, number of months. In this beta you will solve like this. First you will write maturity value formula. Okay, mv is equal to p into n plus p into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into r upon 100. Very good beta. After that you will put up the value. So maturity value of beta value कितना है 16176. p means 400, n तो नहीं है आपके पास, तो you will write as it is n. p is 400, n is n plus 1 is remain as it is. r will be 8. r का value कितना होगा 8. 2 into 12 into 100. Now you will solve this. You will solve this. 16176 will come down as it is. 400 into n will be 400n. Very good. Here 2020 cancel, and you will solve this 4 3s and 2 4s. So you will get 4. You will select this. 2020 cancel, 4 3s and 2 4s. You will get 4 upon 3. Okay, so 4 upon 3, n into n square, n ones are n. Very good. You will multiply n into the brackets. Now beta, you will multiply by 3 in each term. So 3, when you multiply this number by 3, you will get 48528. Here you will get 1200 and here 3 will be cancelled. Means डिनोमिनेटर से आप each term को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे and जिस term में डिनोमिनेटर है उसका डिनोमिनेटर कैंसिल हो जाएगा. After that 4 is here. I will divide each term by 4. Dividing this by 4, I will get 12132. This will give me 300 and this will 4 cancel. After that we will make equation as it is. This is n square. 300 n plus n, 301 n, and this will get subtracted on the side. So you will solve this quadratic equation. You will get n's 2 value, that is minus 337 and 36. Okay. Now please pay attention, beta. I cannot take negative number as a value, so I will take n36 because it is a number of month. Okay. So finally I will got value of n is 36 months. So on the board you have question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Please copy that. Please pay attention बेटा, आपको यहाँ पे n जो है months में convert करना होता है. Many students forget this. ठीक है. So 2 years is equal to 24 months. Now R is equal to 8 PCPA. Now MV is equal to rupees 30,000. Please pay attention. ये पार्ट आपको गिवन है. आप R को PCPA भी लिख सकते हो या फिर परसेंट पर एनम. आपके बुक में ये भी दिया रहता है, आप इसको ये भी लिख सकते हो. After that students, to find, क्या आपने को फाइंड करना है? आपने को फाइंड करना है प्रिंसिपल, that is monthly deposit. Okay. So student, what we will do? We will complete this. First we will write the formula beta. MV is equals to P into N plus P n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Very good. This is your third formula. Now what is MV? 30,000. Here it is. P तो नहीं दिया बेटा, so we will write P as it is. N is 24. So N is 24 plus P is P. N will be 24. N plus 1 कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? Very good. 25 to 12 into 8 upon 100. R कितना बेटा? After 8. Okay बेटा. Now we will convert this. 12 to the 24. तो ये दोनों 24 कट जाएगा बेटा. 25 4s are 100. Now here is 25 4s are 100 and 4 2s are 8. तो ये पूरे पार्ट में क्या बच गया बेटा? 2. So 2 into P is 2P. Here it is 24 into P is 24P. 24 2 कितना होगा बेटा? 26P. 26 अपने को P चाहिए तो 26 इधर के डिवाइड करोगे, you will get this figure. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, समझा ये क्या है? सेम क्वेश्चन है बेटा, गिवन अपने को कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करना है? एमवी दिया है। पे अटेंशन ओवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 बेटा। नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज in this question for Rishabh, you have n is 3 years. You will convert into months. 3 into 12, 36. Very good. 36 months. R is equal to 8 PCPA, and please pay attention. In this you have interest. तो आपका पहला फॉर्मूला कौन सा रहेगा बेटा? इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला रहेगा ये वाला। प्लीज पे अटेंशन, यहाँ पे मैच्योरिटी वैल्यू दिया था तो मैं मैच्योरिटी वैल्यू का फॉर्मूला लगाया नंबर 3, बट हियर इज इंटरेस्ट गिवन टू यू, तो आप इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला लगाओगे। सो इंटरेस्ट बिकम P into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100 beta. Now you put up the values. Interest is 990. P will be P. N is 36. N plus 1 37. 2 into 2 upon 12. n अगर 36 है तो n plus 1 कितना होगा? 37. R means 8 upon 100. Okay, 12 3s are 36, 2 4s are 8. Okay, so you got 3 4s are 12 into 37 upon 100. now बेटा अपने को p चाहिए, so 100 से इधर मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया बेटा, so I got 99910 will become 99930. okay बेटा, 12 into 37 is 444 p. so p चाहिए बेटा, 444 इधर मल्टीप्लाई है, इससे करके क्या होगा बेटा? डिवाइड. so you will divide, you will get 2250 as your principal deposit. okay बेटा, यहाँ पर p निकल गया, मंथली डिपॉजिट निकल गया बेटा. after that you need mv. now please pay attention. अभी आप मैच्योरिटी वैल्यू के लिए डायरेक्ट थर्ड फॉर्मूला भी यूज कर सकते हो और आप ये पार्ट भी यूज कर सकते हो. mv is equal to टोटल डिपॉजिट प्लस इंटरेस्ट. तो mv is equal to मैंने सिंपल वाला यूज किया है, mv is equal to टोटल डिपॉजिट प्लस इंटरेस्ट. इंटरेस्ट अपने को था ना बेटा, तो इंटरेस्ट डायरेक्टली लिख दिया 99990. टोटल डिपॉजिट का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है बेटा? p into n. so it is p into n. p is 2250, n कितना बेटा? 36. इसको 36 को 2250 मल्टीप्लाई किया, वी गॉट 81000 प्लस कर दिया 9990, आई गॉट 90990. दिस इज माय मैच्योरिटी वैल्यू. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज इन दिस क्वेश्चन for Gopal, P is 900 rupees per month and is 4 years. I will convert it into months. So it become 12 4s are 48. Very good. 48 months. याद नहीं बेटा, 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करना था. मैच्योरिटी वैल्यू आपको दिया हुआ बेटा. अगेन इसमें R चाहिए था बेटा अपने को. ना मैच्योरिटी वैल्यू दिया है तो मैच्योरिटी वैल्यू का फॉर्मूला देगा P into n plus P into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. वैल्यू कितना क्या बेटा? मैच्योरिटी वैल्यू कितना? ये पार्ट 52202 वो लिखा. P 900 into 48 plus 900 into 48 into 1 करके 49 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. ओके बेटा, इसका कैलकुलेशन आप लोग कर सकते हो. 0000 कैंसिल, 12 से 12 2 जा 40 24, 12 2 जा 24, 24 2 जा 40 हो जाता है, तो कोई 2 आ जाएगा. फाइनली विल गेट 2 into 9 18 into 49 R. इधर मल्टीप्लाई करोगे बेटा आपको 4300 मिलेगा. ना अपने को R चाहिए बेटा, तो सबसे पहले ये टर्म इधर प्लस है, इधर लाके इसको क्या कर दो? माइनस शिफ्ट कर दो उसको. सब्ट्रैक्शन के बाद यू विल गेट 8820. इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई अपने को कितना देगा बेटा? 882. आपको दिख सकता है इसका 10 टाइम्स है, सो डिवाइड करने का आपको कितना आ जाएगा बेटा? 10. So you got R का value, rate of interest कितना है बेटा? 10. So students, on the board you have question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6. You can copy this. So students, next question is question number 7. In question number 7, for Deepa, P is given to you is 1800 rupees and is 4 years. Converted into month, it will become 12 into 4, 48 months. And maturity value is rupees 1,08,450 rupees. Beta. Now please pay attention. In this you have to find rate of interest. In question number 6, we had the same given part and the same we have to find out. So it is similar to question number 6. You should solve this by your own. Okay students. Now question number 9 is also same. In this also for Sahar, P is 800 rupees and is 1.5 year. That will become 18 months, 12 plus 6. And maturity value is 15,084. Now बेटा प्लीज पे अटेंशन, इसमें भी आपको रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ही निकालना है. MB N और P दिया है, MB N और P दिया है. This both of them are similar to question number 6. You should do by your own. Now in question number 8, for Mr. Brito, R is given to you 8 PCPA, N is 3 years, that is 36 months. Maturity value is 8,088 rupees. In this question, you have to find monthly deposit, that is P, principal. So students, this is similar to question number 4. You can go back to the video and see how to solve this. You should do by this question also. Now beta, we are moving to question number 10 and 11. So the question number 10 is, in this beta, for Katrina, N is 2 years, that is 24 months, R is 6 CCPA, P is 1000 rupees. And in this question, you have to find interest and then maturity value. Beta, for interest, you have to use interest wala formula. This formula number 1. So I is equals to P and N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 and R upon 100. So beta, P is equals to 1000, 24, 25 upon 212 into 6 upon 100. So beta, 12 2s are 24, 24, 24 cancel. 25 100 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 4 आ जाएगा बेटा. So 4 से और 1000 को डिवाइड करोगे तो विल गेट 250. So 250 into 6 become 1500. This is the interest. So बेटा interest आपको मिल गया. You will use maturity value as a TD, that is total deposit in plus interest. Total deposit का खुद का फॉर्मूला बेटा P into N. So P into N यूज किया बेटा. P is 1000 rupees and is 24 plus interest जो भी आपको यहाँ पे मिला 1500. You will solve this. You will get 25,500 rupees. Okay बेटा. The last question is question number 11. In this, you have for Mohan you have interest. N is 2 years, that is 24 months. R is 6 CCPA. You have to find principal and maturity value. So बेटा इसमें अपने को गिवन पॉइंट क्या है? इंटरेस्ट. तो अगेन इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला लगाया है. इंटरेस्ट का वाला फॉर्मूला लगा बेटा और उसको फिर वैल्यू पुट किया. सो इंटरेस्ट इज 1200 रुपीस. P you have to find this. N is 24 months. So 24 plus 25 upon 212 into 6 upon 100. So 12 2s are 24. कैंसिल हो गया बेटा. 25 से 100 को कट करोगे you will get 4. So P into 6 upon 4. We need P. So 4 से इस साइड मल्टीप्लाई करोगे और 6 से डिवाइड करोगे. So 6 को 1200 से डिवाइड करोगे तो बेटा क्या आपको मिलेगा? 200. 200 4s are 800. तो प्रिंसिपल कितना आ गया बेटा? 800. That is monthly deposit आ गया. After that you will solve MB similar to question number 10. Okay students, and finally you will get 20,400. So question number 11 is also end up. So students, we completed 2B And students, by now we have completed second chapter of your textbook. Okay students, bye. Keep watching my video.